Hi, today I've ready for OnePlus Nord 5G and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher. Tap to activate and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we should just keep the odds. The process is finished, so let's just check new keyboard look. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.